Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Jessie in Brawl Stars. Jessie's primary attack fires an energy orb that can bounce between up to 3 enemies, dealing damage to each, and this helps charge her super. Her super unleashes Scrappy, a small, stationary turret that automatically targets and fires at nearby opponents. This combination provides excellent area control and consistent pressure during matches, making her a valuable asset in many situations. Effective Scrappy placement is key to Jessie's success. Always try to position your turret behind cover, like a wall or obstacle, making it harder for enemies to destroy. Use Scrappy to cut off enemy escape routes, block choke points, or defend objectives. Remember, Scrappy has 3,000 health points, so it can act as a temporary shield, absorbing damage meant for you or your teammates. Jessie's main attack, the shock rifle, is incredibly potent when used correctly. Aim for an enemy standing near other opponents to utilize its bounce mechanic fully. Hitting a tanky frontline brawler can cause the orb to bounce to squishier targets behind them, dealing significant overall damage. Each successful bounce also contributes to charging your super, letting you deploy Scrappy more frequently. Jessie's gadgets and star powers elevate her gameplay. Use Spark Plug to instantly slow down enemies around Scrappy, making them easier targets for you and your team. Her Energized star power allows Scrappy to heal for 800 health points with each hit, greatly increasing its longevity. Alternatively, the Shocky star power makes Scrappy's shots bounce to an additional target, boosting area damage significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.